Hello, my name is Jordan Andrews, and I'll be doing a song and monologue as the peddler from Aladdin. Oh, I come from a land, from a faraway place, where the caravan camels roam. Where it's flat and immense, and the heat is intense. It's barbaric, but hey, it's home. When the wind's from the east, and the sun's to the west, and the sand in the glass is right. Coming down, stepping by, hop a carpet and fly to another Arabian night. Arabian nights, like Arabian days. More often than not, are hotter than hot, a lot of good ways. Arabian nights, neath Arabian moons. A fool off his guard could fall and fall hard out there on the dunes. Salam, good evening to you, worthy friend. Please come closer. Too close. A little too close. There! Welcome to Agrabah, city of mystery and enchantment. And the finest merchandise this side of the River Jordan. On sale today. Come on down. Aha! Yes! Look at this! Combined hookah and a coffee maker. Also makes Julian fries. Will not break. Will not! It broke. Ooh, look at this! I've never seen one of these intact before. This is the famous Dead Sea Tupperware. Listen! Still good. Wait, don't go. I can see that you're only interested in the exceptionally rare. Then I think you would be most rewarded to consider this. Do not be fooled by its commonplace appearance. Like most things, it is not what is on the outside, but what is on the inside that counts. This is no ordinary lamp. This lamp changed the course of a young man's life. The young man who liked this lamp was more than he seemed. The diamond in the rough? Perhaps you'd like to hear the tale. It begins on a dark night, where a dark man waits with a dark purpose.